Hello and a happy Monday, friends. I just got back from the dentist. I have a temporary crown on my tooth and I'm gonna get a new crown in a couple weeks. So I told Phil I'm practically a Disney princess because I have a crown now. Speaking of Disney, I have an exciting box that came in the mail today. Phil doesn't even know I have this. We're gonna go show him. And then also we have this pupper here who, as usual, wants to play. Pupper, I don't want you to go home today. Phil, what did we get?
I don't know.
Let's open it. This is Phil's absolutely favorite thing. Oh my goodness. Magic bands. It's weird that we got these ones before the other ones.
What do you mean?
These are for February, not Christmas.
We already got the December ones.
We did?
Yeah, I've had my Riviera one for months.
Oh.
Where's yours?
I don't know. What did I get?
I don't remember. Where's your hanger loop?
Well, let's show people what magic bands there are.
Okay. So this is mine. It's the Grand Floridian.
Ooh. Oh, I love the building portion of it.
And then we've got like an old-timey, old-school Victorian Mickey.
Nice.
And the reason I chose this one is because I collect things that have to do with the resorts. So resort magic bands, resort pins, resort wear, etc. I like the resorts. So I collect parks, I collect resorts, and I collect rides. And that's pretty much it. No specific characters or anything. Well, I have a Mickey pin section, but other than that, that's...
You also like Miko.
Yeah, but I don't have any Miko stuff. I have like one pin.
Yeah.
Miko stuff's hard to come by. So this is Pauline's, and it's the Riviera to match mine.
It's very similar to the Grand Floridian design. I love it. Mickey looks very dapper.
This one's for my dad. He's a big Star Wars guy. So we got him this Galaxy's Edge one. This one's for my mom. This is a celebration of the castle, the Magic Kingdom.
Where dreams come true. It's got actually a glittery...
Yeah. So the reason that we have magic bands for my parents is we are taking them on a vacation in February. So Pauline and I wanted to use our DVC to give back to our family. And so we've invited our parents to come stay with us. We're going to get a bigger room. We're going to be there with my parents. And this will be their first time really visiting Disney World. So they went twice. I think my parents have both been twice. They went once with my brother and I got lost. And then we left. And they went once with my older brother Ron and my older brother Ryan. So they've been twice, but they've never experienced any of the other parks. They've only been to Magic Kingdom, and it's been well over 25 years since I've been there. So lots has changed in that time. So we're going to go and take them. We're going to take them for a week, and we're going to put them up with us, and it's going to be a fun time. And after the vacation's over, I'm going to steal my dad's magic band. Hopefully, they're able to join us this February. We've offered to take them down with us, but their health and safety is our #1 priority, obviously. And with everything that's going on with COVID, we're closely monitoring the situation, so we'll just have to see how it shakes out. Hopefully, there is clinical trials that are able to be completed, and a vaccine, a viable vaccine, comes out before then. Because if not, I don't know how comfortable they're going to feel, but we're going to play that one by ear. We've got lots of time, and fingers crossed it works out.
And if it doesn't, we'll take them another time.
That's right.
Hello friends, it is a rainy Wednesday and I'm waiting for my parents. We are getting some dinner at Red Robin. Phil has been away since yesterday. It's been pretty busy at work for him in terms of having to go down to visit customers, but he's doing so well. He hit his goals for the whole start of the year. I'm so proud of him. So I think he's working extra hard to make sure his goals will be completed and far exceeded for the second half of the year. Phil, you're home!
Happy Friday.
It's not Friday. It's Thursday, Phil. Hi friends, it is Thursday. Phil is finally home. I'm so happy. Feels normal again in our house. But I'm going to cook us up some dinner. We are having steaks tonight from Blue Apron. And here is the steak recipe. They are seared steaks with a soy glaze, and we're gonna have mashed potatoes and vegetables. Final product, steaks with soy glaze, and then we got veggies and potatoes, and it has this seasoning that we put on top. I'm excited about the soy glaze though, it looks really good. Hi friends, it is Friday. I am about to make dinner, but I did pick up a very special little gentleman today. Say hi, Pupper. Say, I'm glad to be here. I love this dog. I'm wearing one of the outfits I got from Shein. I love it. It's very comfy, cute, and feels extremely Animal Kingdom. I probably will wear it next time I go to Animal Kingdom. I am gonna cook us dinner. Cooking dinner. Another Blue Apron meal. I actually paused Blue Apron for a little bit because I just feel like we have so much catching up to do. Normally I would cook during the week, but when Phil isn't here, and he hasn't been here like the past couple weeks for during the week, I just don't, there's no point in cooking when I can just eat like leftovers or things in the fridge that we need to use up that is not Blue Apron. So now we have to catch up on Blue Apron. It's okay though. I made a meal from last night that was from like a box or so ago, and it was absolutely delicious. Their food is very high quality, and I feel like it lasts a really long time. I've only had to replace one thing, which was the zucchini, so really not a big deal. And Pupper, we're gonna get you your food too. Pupper hates being on camera, and we're supposed to do a video with him this weekend. That'll be interesting. Okay, this one was a little crazy to make, but it looks really good. And I actually already had what I thought were the water chestnuts. Nope, they are rice cakes. Very interesting. Have a cappuccino? Got one. You're Starbucks Pepper. Okay, you're not allowed to have the whole cup though. It's too much for a little Pepper. Hi friends, it is Saturday. I filmed a little bit this morning. I made some breakfast and then I went to Home Depot because I have a project that I'm looking to start and complete tomorrow for my office. It's just like a little sign I want to make. So I picked up some wood to start making the sign, and I will pop that stuff in right here. gonna have some pizza. We're here at my parents' house. All right, we got Cariglio's pizza.
Cariglio's. Here.
It looks so good. The white pizza's underneath, I think. And this is our favorite, the white pizza. Oh yeah, that crust looks so good. Nice and cheesy. Hi guys, Pauline from the future here, coming at you to close out this week's video. We had such an awesome rest of our day, just kind of relaxed. I watched Pirates of the Caribbean with my mom, Phil, Jimmy, and my dad kind of like hung out. They had a cigar together. So all around, it was a great Saturday. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a tried and true, we appreciate you sticking on and seeing our weekly vlogs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. Tell me, what was your favorite part about our week this week? And as always, if you haven't subscribed, we would love for you to do so and join us on our Disney adventures and our life adventures. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.